nice hot day, so perfect day to get the heat gun out. This Ozito heat gun kit I got from Bunnings, about $50, very cheap. The reason I've bought this is for some battery testing. Yeah, I've got this Go kilowatt hour battery that I got sent to me. It's on the charge, so I'm gonna use this heat gun as a load test to see how well it performs. I'm gonna hook it up to my King's inverter here, 1500 watt inverter. So in the box we got the heat gun, we got 4 nozzles, we got 2 scrapers, the kit box, nice little box there as you can see to store it all in, and the instruction manual. So yeah, good for heat sink and stripping paint and all that, but for me I'll be using it mainly just to test batteries out. I'm going to set up a nice battery test setup eventually, so let's open this up. What's good about this heat gun is that it's got an adjustable temperature dial, so it's going to be perfect for testing batteries out, and also good for testing inverters and that out as well, because I can slowly adjust the temperature and the wattage, so it should be perfect hopefully for what we're using it for. Alright, enough rambling guys, sorry. We'll get into this this heat gun. There we go, nice user manual here. The heat gun itself, reasonably long cable by the looks, which is good. And then you've got your 4 nozzles attachments and your scraper there, 1 scraper. It's meant to be 2 scrapers. Oh yep, 1 up here too, there we go. So that comes off and attaches to that one there, triangle scraper, good for getting in the corners and that, cleaning paint out of corners, whatnot. So yeah, we'll hook this up and see how it performs. Alright guys, this is just going to be a quick little test, yeah, just a quick review on this. So yeah, anyone that is interested in looking at one of these, then it's just a quick little review of it. I've got the amp meter up on this inverter, so we'll be able to see the amps going in to this inverter, and then I've got a little watt meter on the AC output side, so we'll be able to see exactly how many watts we're pulling out of this heat gun here. Okay guys, got me watt meter set up, ready to go. It's 0.7 of amp at the moment, just on standby. I've got an watt meter as well plugged in on the AC side. So let's turn this thing on. Going to turn it on to the first setting. There it goes. As you can see, 145 watts and 12 amps. I will slowly turn it up. 310, 370, 500. 850, we're looking at 80 amps over here. Almost 1000 watts, that's on the first setting. 80 amps, 960 watts. Right, 79 amps, 950 watts. We're going to turn it on to the second setting now. You can see 171 amps and 1847 watts, and it's just cut out. There you go. That was a bit of an extreme test for the King's inverter. But there you have it guys, just a quick look at the Ozito 2000 watt heat gun. Yeah, this will come in handy for a lot of tests coming up, battery tests and inverter tests. Be able to control the wattage with this, hopefully, yeah, hopefully you'll see this heat gun in a few videos coming up. So yeah, hopefully it works out good for this channel.